Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Bar 700 soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this soundbar is not working for any reason, if it's not connecting to Wi-Fi, or it's not syncing with your TV, or not pairing with your Bluetooth device, or keeps disconnecting or not responding, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the other reason you might want to do this is if you're setting this up on a new network or in a new home and you just want to get a fresh start, you can go ahead and just do this and wipe all of the pairing history, wipe out all the information off of it, so we can set it up basically like it's new coming out of the box, and it's very easy to do. All we need to do on this soundbar is we're going to go ahead and turn it on, make sure it's on for this to work. And we are just going to come in and press and hold simultaneously the volume up, volume down, and the source button for more than 5 seconds. And if you hold that for more than 5 seconds, it will go it will basically reboot. It will turn off and then turn back on into its factory default settings, and you can set it up like new.